Welcome to yet another video of Fragrant Gem, guys, and today I have an Indian attar house known as Al-Nuaim. I'm pretty sure you must have heard about this fragrance house. They have some pretty amazing perfumes and attars under budget. I mean, the attars that I'm going to talk about are amazing in terms of presentation quality, and the cost right now on their website is 499. So you're going to get them for less than 500 rupees, that is for sure. And let me show you the presentation. Now these are apparently their new release, and you can consider them as their French attar line. So there are two kind of attars. First is like Oriental Middle Eastern kind of attar, and the second attars are French attars. So these are French inspired attars. So you can basically wear them anywhere you want, anywhere you like, and they're not gonna offend the people around you. I mean, let's say even at the office you'll be happy to wear them, and people are not gonna be offended by the kind of attars you're wearing. This is how the presentation looks like of the attars that I'm gonna talk about. Now I have total 6 attars with me, and I'm gonna discuss the scent profile, the notes breakdown of each and every one of them. For your information and for your convenience, I'll add the timestamps in the description. So if you want to jump into a specific attar or a specific note, you can simply click on it and the video will jump to it. Now let me show you the presentation first, and we're gonna start off with Yara. Now this is how the box looks like, and overall it comes in an amazing box. Now here we have texture, so it is not like a plain simple kind of box. Here you're gonna get some texture and you're gonna feel it when you have this in your hand, and like basic information here, basic information here, and that's it. It opens up like this. You can simply slide it off like this, and that's it. So this is how it comes in. And now, okay, this is a bit tricky, but then I love the presentation. Now once you open it, this is what you get. Now this has some information of all the other attars available. This is good because this is how people are gonna know what other attars this brand offers. So this is good and I loved it. Apart from that, this has this thing. I really don't know what exactly this is, but then I'm guessing this is a lid if you are not using your attar or something like that. And now we have the main thing, that is the attar itself. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks like. Now the bottle is a plastic bottle, but then if you're looking at it, you'll feel like this is a ceramic bottle, which is good. This is also plastic, but then it feels like metal. So overall, in aesthetic manner, it looks very good. And overall, I'll say it's a heavy bottle. I mean, in spite of being a plastic bottle, it is heavy, and I like it. Apart from that, you have the tag here. So for all the perfumes, you're gonna get these kind of tags. So this is Yara, so you're getting this tag of Yara, and that's it for the presentation. I'll say the presentation is not tacky kind of presentation like you get in all those high-end attars. Of course, the price of those attars is also high, but then those attars feel a bit tacky. And the best thing here is that you'll be able to carry them in your pocket. So if you are a girl, you can keep this in your wallet or purse, whatever. And if you're a boy, you can keep this in your pocket. Let's say maybe in your suit or in your jeans or in your trousers, whatever, but then it is convenient. That is the main thing. And once you open it, you get this roller. So this is again one good thing, because I've always mentioned that rollers are always good, because it makes the others easy for application on your skin wherever. Like let's say if you're holding an attar and just taking off and has a glass dipstick. I mean, glass dipstick also has its own advantages, but then on the go the dipstick thing won't work, that is for sure, because you may just take it out and the dipstick may fall, and once the dipstick is gone, it's gone. You cannot do anything about it. So in that way, the roller is good and just easy to apply. Just take out of your pocket, apply it, and that's as simple as that. Now as these are attars, of course it is by default that they are 100% concentrated perfume oil and they are alcohol free. So people who are looking for alcohol free perfumes, just make sure you try these and get them. As simple as that. Now Yara is tangy, aquatic, musky, and basically something extremely safe to wear. So you can wear this at your office without any worries, and you can wear this anywhere without offending anyone. You'll be able to see the notes breakdown of the perfumes that I'm discussing, so just a heads up. It's a great attar if you're looking for something for office wear purpose. One more perfume for the office that I'm gonna recommend is Asad. That is our next pick, and this is citrusy, spicy, and a bit ambery. It also has incense. So you can say that Yara is 100% for the office wear, and Asad is good for office wear, but then you can consider this as a date night attar as well. I mean, if you're going for an intimate evening or a date night or something like that, you can definitely try this one out and wear this one out, because this is, I've applied this one here, and it's good. So basically it has incense and spices and citrus, so a bit subjective, but then overall good one. Khamrah is the next one, where this has the prominent notes of rose and spices. So if you are someone who is looking for a bit rose centric attar, this is something that you're gonna love, and I mean, good. Now, I also consider this one as an extremely gourmand kind of attar. I mean, this smells like something you can eat, and that is what makes it extremely alluring and exotic. And I mean, this is good. I feel that this is a unisex attar. I mean, even women can wear this, and women are gonna love it. To be completely honest, I love this one, and I've been wearing this one a lot, because I mean, it is extremely alluring and exotic, to be honest. Next up is Ofra, and you can consider this one as a fruity, floral, and a bit spicy kind of attar. Now, this I feel is specifically for women. I mean, even men can wear it if you are looking to layer something with a floral attar. But then specifically, this is something that women are gonna love. Feels extremely bubbly kind of attar. I mean, extremely happy, jolly, and joyous kind of attar. This is gonna last for days on your clothes if you're applying it in a proper manner. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how exactly you can apply attar in a proper manner. But then, yeah, women are gonna love this one. This is fruity and floral attar. Next one is La Bella, which of course, even by the color, you'll be able to guess that it's a women perfume. It has a lot of white floral notes. So you can consider this as an extremely safe to wear, a little bit fruity, but then heavy on white floral kind of attar, and extremely safe to wear. I mean, consider that you are wearing a perfume that costs more than 25-30,000 rupees. That is how this attar is going to smell like. And the fact that this is just for 500 rupees makes it an absolute win-win thing. Last one up is Wafa, which is this one. And you can consider this one as the most modern kind of attar in this entire list, because of the aldehyde notes, because of the pepper notes. This tends to be a lot more fresher, spicier. I'm not gonna lie, this tends to be a little bit synthetic, but then this is what aldehyde does. I mean, there's a lot of aldehyde and Sauvage and Blue de Chanel and even Aventus, and they smell a bit synthetic. So I feel it's totally fine. And overall, I'll say if you're someone who is into colleges, this is something that you're gonna love. Amazing stuff. So yeah, these are 9.9 roll-ons and completely alcohol free. These are attars, and if you are into attars, I am definitely gonna recommend you to try these. Amazing stuff. And like I've said, this is how you actually apply an attar. So you take attar on your palm like this. You get lots and lots of attar, because you are gonna apply this on your clothes, on your neck, on your entire pulse points on your body. Just keep it here, just rub it and apply it like this on your clothes and everywhere. And I'm still taking a little bit less. Generally I take a lot more of this entire thing. And that's it. If you are a girl, you can apply a little bit on your hair. If you're a boy, you can apply it on your beard like this, and you're gonna smell amazing all day.